And now let's proceed to the next topic, which is the derivatives of logarithmic function. So we have example here, y is equal to logarithmic of the product of x cubed plus 2x squared plus 1 and 3x squared plus 2 to the base 9. Base number 9. So, first natin gagawin is isi-simplify na natin itong logarithmic na ito. Y is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared plus 1 to the base 9 plus, magiging plus siya kapag product din nandito, magiging plus or i-add natin yung dalawang logarithmic. And kapag naman quotient naman dito, i-minus natin, isa-subtract yung dalawang logarithmic. So, in this time, mag-add tayo. So, we have look to the base 9 of 3x squared plus 2. So, ito na siya. And now, let's find the derivative of this two logarithmic. No? The first derivative is equal to this. So, ito na siya. And now, alamin natin ano yung mga ginagamit dito, the formula. So, we have here d over dx of root k raised to u is equal to 1 over q ln a du over dx. At bakit siya naging ganyan? So, isasayin natin kasi nga ang derivative ito ay una, maging ganito muna yung logarithmic na ay itatranspose mo muna into ln u over ln a bago natin siya i-derive. And ito, not differentiable, but this one is differentiable. So ito lang yung i-derive natin. And we know that the derivative of ln u is equal to 1 over u du over dx, or just simply du over dx over u. So kaya naging ganito siya, or 1 over u ln a ako na nito times du over dx. So now let's proceed to the example here. Our right triangle will become this example 1 over this one x2 plus x3 plus 1 times ln our e is right here, or that is 1. That is 9 rather. Ln 9 times the derivative of this one. So, since i-times natin natin sa mga, dito na natin natin sa taas. So, we have 3x squared plus 4x. Okay, that's all. Plus times the derivative of this one. Okay na. Plus, with the price second term, we have 1 times the derivative of this one, which will be 6x. 6 na lang. And let's copy this. 3x squared plus 2 ln 9. So, ito yung ito na yung sagot sa derivative natin. But, ito na yung sagot sa ating problem. So, ito lang yung sagot. May masagot dyan.